CATIA V5 functional modeled part. So this will be regarding protected area. And we see over here the following profile. Now this will be the base of the shape. And I want to highlight the fact that within CATIA we're going to have some elements that will be turning red. So in this case we see as I modify the shape of the profile over here, this will turn red. This means that this is waiting for an update. But also within CATIA, protected areas will be listed as red. So for example, over here I have a cutout, and the cutout will look as following. Now we can add those colors even to other features, so we can easily change this within graphics. But keep in mind that protected areas within functional modeled part with the default settings will be colored like this with red. Now the main feature for protected area over here, so protected feature, this will be that on those set areas we won't be able to add any material, so those will remain unfilled. For example, over here if I want to use this protected on those sketches over here, so the bottom holes, we're going to have the following output. If I'm going to hit preview, we're going to see that the red marking won't appear, but as soon as I'm going to click OK, we're going to have those highlighted. Also, depending on the size of that, those protected areas, we're going to see that currently it's set all the way over here. If I'm going to go over here and I will extend this to be 20, if I'm going to hit OK, it will then be 5 millimeters on top. And if I will select now this surface, and I want to create over here a new sketch directly on this face, if I would, for example, want to add over here the following extrude, we're going to see that we have it over here. So I can use, in this case, added feature in order to add towards this. And I want to add 10 millimeters over here. If I'm going to hit OK, we're going to see how that protected area will now work. As you can see, we also have this cutout that is influenced by the previous cutout that is defined as following. If I'm going to go over here and I can also change this, we see the opening. I want this to be minus 25. We're going to see that it will go even higher. With minus 22, we still should have over here a little bit of material. So keep that in mind that cutouts and protected areas over here will be listed like this with red. Also, for protected areas, in this case, as we have that profile, we can also specify over here the tick option. And in this case, we can also go, for example, outside. If I'm going to go outside with 1 millimeter, we're going to see that all of those radius will be increased with an additional 1 millimeter. And now that protected area will be further increased in this case. So this is a feature within functional modeling part that will allow us to make sure that specific parts of the part will remain unfilled. So this is really useful, especially if you want to make, for example, a casing of an electronic appliance, and within that you need a specific cutout, for example, for the motherboard, or you want to fit the battery and so on. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find an additional video over here on the left side. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can consider to subscribe. I'm going to add the subscribe button over here to the right. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.